All right, I'm skipping ahead. There wasn't anything interesting in putting the outside back on. I do have one upgrade. I got these Hula anti-vibration pads from Voxel. So I am going to install these. So pretty simple. Take out the rubber foot and then you put it in. That's loose, so you're going to need to insert a shim, and then that shim, that doesn't seem loose to me. Oh, you can't see that. So I just need to rinse and repeat for the other feet. Take out the rubber foot. Oh! Drop things on the floor because apparently that's what I'm good at. Check that it fits. Is it going to be one shim? Is it going to be two shims? So shims, you just slide it in and then bring it around and push that in. There we go. And that should be a good fit. And we'll repeat for the other feet. I'm going to go ahead and pre-install one shim because the likelihood that this is going to need a shim is pretty high since the other two needed a shim. All right. Then we have one more. All right. With that done, I have all the things complete. Let me pause this for a moment. All right. Got everything flipped back over. I'll show you that in a second with the new feet. But we have a drive roller. It's kind of hard to see, but this drive roller needs to be replaced. I'm just going to do it in place and probably risk, dropping a kilogram of filament. But all I need to do is reach in and pull up, and it should just snap right out. Okay, I need to push a little bit backwards, but there's the drive roller. You can see completely trashed on one side, and I had to order this twice. First time I ordered the support roller in the back and not the drive roller. Hopefully I'm opening the right one. Yes. Okay, so here's our new drive roller. Make sure we install it in this direction so the gear is towards the left side. Same thing that we did before. Okay. So I just pulled it forward and pushed it down. And that needs to go there. Okay. I'll have to end up replacing the other 3 drive rollers at some point. But at the moment they seem okay. They're not completely shredded. But let's show you the feet. So with the anti-vibration feet installed, there we go. I'll get things running and we'll see where things are at.